Hello guys, welcome to Basic Nursing Classes. Myself Amanpreet. Today we are moving on with acid-base balance. In the previous video we discussed about the acid-base balance, both respiratory and metabolic, its signs and symptoms and its causes. Now in this video we are going to talk about how to check is the acidosis or alkalosis condition is compensated or uncompensated. Okay, and third thing is partially compensated. Okay, so let's move on. As you can see, I have labeled the pH value 7.35 to 7.45. That's a normal pH value, and 7.40, it's the neutral. Okay, absolute neutral value. So anything that is less than 7.35, as you can see on the board, is acidic, and anything which is more than 7.45, that is basic. Okay, the arrow goes in that direction. You can clearly see from that video. And level of carbon dioxide, it's 35 to 45 normal, and bicarbonate it's 22 to 26. So all these are normal values. So let's move on to how to check for the full compensation and no compensation at all and partial compensation of acidosis, both respiratory and metabolic, and alkalosis, both respiratory and metabolic. So for looking for compensation, I have taken 3 examples. So let's check the first example. In the first example, you can see the pH level, that is 7.21, carbon dioxide level is 46, bicarbonate level is 25. Okay, so the pH is less than 7.35, obviously it's acidosis. Okay, level of carbon dioxide is higher, but bicarbonate is in normal condition. So obviously bicarbonate is normal and carbon dioxide is up, so it is related to lungs, and it's respiratory acidosis. So because the pH level is less than 7.35, so it's not normal, so it's obviously it's not compensated in the body. Okay, so you can draw 3 lines. Okay, by using that method. In between, that's a normal value. Okay, and on the left side is acidosis, and on the right side is the alkalosis, basic condition. So pH is 7.21, so it's acidic, and partial pressure of carbon dioxide, it's also higher, acidic, and bicarbonate, it's 25, so it comes under neutral. N, okay, it's normal, so it is not compensated. Okay, so it's uncompensated condition of respiratory acidosis. Okay, so the second value, the second example you can take. Here the pH level is 7.21. Obviously I have taken it on the acidic side. Okay, and partial pressure of carbon dioxide, it's 46, it's high, so I have taken it over the left side, on the acid side. But in this condition, the bicarbonate is trying to compensate the acidic condition in the body. So for compensation, the value of bicarbonate will go up. So it's in the basic condition. It is trying to compensate the acidic condition, but it failed because pH value is not normal. So it is partial compensation. Okay, the bicarbonate ions, they are trying to compensate the acidic condition, but they are not fully compensating. Okay, so that is partial compensation. Okay, and for the third example, in third condition, the pH level is normal, 7.38, so I have put it under N, neutral. So next is partial pressure of carbon dioxide, it's 36, it's also normal. Okay, and bicarbonate is 24, it's also normal. So all these 3 things are normal. So pH level is also normal, so it's compensated, everything is compensated, so it is the full compensation. Okay, and moreover, one thing more, if the pH level, for example, is 7.38, the same, and if the carbon dioxide level is high, for example, you can take it at 40, and if the bicarbonate ions that are also 28, you can say, both are high, but the pH level is 7.38, it's in the normal condition. So it means they both are trying to compensate and they are compensating each other. So that's also a full compensation condition in the body. Okay, so this is an easy way to look for full compensation, partial compensation, and uncompensation condition of acidosis and alkalosis. Okay, so this is an easy method. You can put acidic condition on left side, basic condition on right side, and normal condition in the midline. Okay, and if the pH level is not maintained, it means there is no compensation, and if one level is trying to compensate the other level, okay, so and it has reached the compensation, it means full compensation. But if it is out, there is no compensation but it is trying to compensate, that means it's a partial compensation. Okay, so I hope you guys are finding this compensation easy to understand. Okay, so good luck for exam. Thank you. In the next video we are going to talk about some ventilators. Okay, about the ventilator alarms, and when the patient is on ventilators, how to check for their ABG, and when can we know that patient is going into acidic condition or basic condition. Okay, till then, goodbye. Thank you.